I have this earlier version of Solo headphone Earpad. It needs to replace right now. It's kind of deteriorate, and just saw the instruction. Just need to remove the glue adhesive so we can pull the thing out. So I just go around the edge of this and pull this thing apart. I guess it's come out now. Yeah, pull it out right now. What is that adhesive right here? Oh, come out. So that's pretty bad. I have to do the same thing on this side here. And after that, need to clean all this adhesive. Kind of nasty here. And I just need to clean all this. I know how to do on this side here too. After I use the adhesive remover, clean all this area, also on this side here. So I'm ready to put a new ear pad in now. The ear pad I ordered, I guess it come a little bit off the color. Doesn't seem like the same like the original, a little bit darker. So I have to pick up, this is a little bit closer color, so I'm going to use this one to put it in. The other procedure, so I just need to line up left and right. I think this for the right side here. So it's supposed to go right in here. I don't have no hole right here. I have to peel out the tape first. The tape's right here. So this is the tape. I think it's pretty easy to put it in. And just press. Okay, and it's in now. And just put this in.